Hello, welcome to Learn Reality TV. Ladies and gentlemen, today we will learn how to download very high resolution Google Earth image for free using Smog GIS software. This video is produced by Learn Reality TV, a consulting firm dedicated to promoting remote sensing and GIS outreach, land administration research, and education. To see more of this video, kindly subscribe. Let's get started. First of all, let's download the Smog GIS software. Type Elshayal Smog GIS. Enter Elshayal Smog GIS. Download. Click on it. This is the website. This is a relatively very small software, 23.33 megabytes. Click on download. You can download from any of these sites. So I will download from the UK site. Click on it. Wait for the download. It's been downloaded. I've already downloaded it. So continue to download. After downloading, unzip the file and install. Very simple to install. At this point, I will cancel the download. Close the browser. Then let's get started. Open Elshayal Smart. Click on it. This is the interface of the Smart software. These are navigation tools. These are the other files: file, edit, view, layers, selection, network settings tools. Then you need to also have Google Earth installed on your PC. I already have two Google Earth. Click on it. It is open. So my area of interest is Kumasi. Just type Kumasi, Ghana. See Kumasi, Ghana. Click on it. That is Kumasi, Ghana. Zoom into the required resolution that we need. I need very high resolution. At this point, I think it is okay for me. To minimize it, go to your Smog GIS software. Click on Google Earth and login. Click on login. Google Earth is connected. You see, it's connected. Before we start using our application, we need to do some kind of settings. Show Google settings help. You see that? So you go to Tools option 3D. Tools option 3D. So go to Tools options 3D. Okay. So what are they saying we should do? You see, ensure 1. Ensure latitude longitude. Select decimal degree. Select decimal degree. Select this. And then go back again. In units of measurement, select meters, kilometers. look at it, meters, kilometers. Then go back. Number 3, in terrain, set elevation exaggeration to 0.01. Elevation exaggeration 0.01. Elevation exaggeration here 0.01. Then you go back. The fourth one, no, the fourth one is in terrain, and check use high quality terrain. And check use quality high terrain. You check use high quality terrain. You need to uncheck it. Yes, uncheck. And then we go to number 5 in terrain and check use 3D imagery. Check use 3D imagery. This one, uncheck it. You go back to the software. In atmosphere, unlock use photorealistic atmosphere 6 in atmosphere, and check use photorealistic atmosphere rendering. You need to uncheck it, and then you go to tools, options, you go to navigation, and in navigation select do not automatically tilt while zoom. This is it. Navigation, and that is do not automatically tilt while zooming. You need to put it, click on it, and in navigation, and check gradually slow the earth when rotate or zoom. And check automatic gradually slow the earth when rotate or zooming. You need to uncheck this. It's only this one that is checked. And enable visualization. And then during synchronization, be sure that the Google Earth is not maximized and is not full screen. Send us your feedback to minimize it. So this is the point of you need to apply and save. So this is the point that we are interested. So you need to go to the Smog GIS, click on refresh. These are the coordinates of the place, coordinates of this place. These are the coordinates. And then after refreshing, you come back to the Smog GIS, click on import rectified image, navigate to the area that you want to store images. I will store them in this folder. Click save. Then wait. The image has been saved here, but you can realize that it is in a grayscale. So we want them to be in color form. So you go to your Google Earth, save this, save as, save image. You need to uncheck all these things. Uncheck. After unchecking, you need to click save. Replace it with this. So click on this to replace it. Click save. Do you want to replace it? Say yes. Then go to your Smog GIS. Right click on this. Scroll down to reload layer. Click on reload layer. Wow, it's no more black and white, it's in a color image. So now we want the top of the image, something should be added on the top of the image depending the coverage. So we have up, right, down and left. So if you want to cover larger area, you need to go up, right, down, left, so that the place will be wider. So let's go up. When you go up, see the image here has also changed. So you go to the Smog GIS, click import image 1, save it, wait patiently. You see, it has also appeared also in a grayscale. So go to your Google Earth, save image, replace it with the 1. Say yes. Come back, right click this, reload layer. That's also turned to color. Then at this time we go our right. Sure, the image has also changed. You see, it has changed. Then click on import rectify image, GE3, click on save, and then wait. It has also appeared. Then we need a color image, so save this in the third one. Save, yes. Go back, 3, right click, reload layer, sustain to color. Then let's go down. Then the image has automatically changed. So click on save image, image 4. Then go to the Google Earth, click on save, click on 4, save, yes. Then come back to the software, right click it, reload layer. It has also changed. So you can do this to cover your area, no matter how large your area is. So assuming we have to go next, you can just click up, left, down, so that it will go to this area too. You do that continuously till you cover the whole entire image. So after this, you can visualize this data in ArcMap. These are the images. So you can copy this, copy all this, copy, and then I want to put it on my drive. Exercises, new folder, try, open the try, then paste. This is it. Let's open our arc map. Arc map. Okay, new blank map. Go to your folder, refresh on exercises, then open, go to try. These are the images. That's one. Okay. 2. Okay. 3. Okay. And the last one 4. Okay. These are the images. So before you perform any spatial analysis on this, first of all we need to mosaic it. Data management, you come to projections raster, you go to raster dataset, you go to mosaic to new raster, click on this, pick 1, 2, 3, 4. Output georeference, then wait, raster data's name with extension mosaic.tif. Spatial reference is optional. Number of pounds 3. Then you click OK. File. Already have the file. Don't worry. Okay, mosaic. Now we can remove all these layers. Remove. Now this is the mosaic. And it's georeference. You see the coordinates -1.6. Thank you very much. If you enjoy my videos, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you.